In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multi-currency transactions in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing international transactions, Zoho Books makes handling multiple currencies a breeze. Let's dive into the details and take this journey step by step so you can efficiently manage your multi-currency transactions. First things first, setting up the currencies is essential. Start by navigating to the Settings section within Zoho Books. In this area, you'll find a tab labeled Currencies. Once you're there, look for the option to Add New Currency. This feature allows you to select all the currencies that your business will be transacting in. It's worth noting that Zoho Books can automatically fetch exchange rates on a daily basis, which is a handy feature and is generally the recommended setting for most businesses. However, if your business requires it, you can manually enter and edit exchange rates for specific date ranges. This flexibility ensures that you always have the most accurate and relevant data for your financial entries. Now that your currencies are all set up, it's time to create multi-currency transactions. When you create a new sales or purchase transaction, such as an invoice, bill, or expense, the steps remain quite straightforward. Begin by selecting or creating a new customer or vendor. As you're filling in the transaction details, notice the Currency drop-down menu located next to the customer or vendor's name. Here's where you'll select the foreign currency for this particular transaction. If you have enabled the automatic exchange rate feeds, the exchange rate will be conveniently populated for you. This feature ensures that you save time and minimize errors. However, should you need or prefer, you have the option to manually enter the exchange rate, giving you full control over the details of your transaction. Once you've selected the currency and entered your exchange rate, continue by completing the remaining transaction details. After everything is correctly filled out, click Save to finalize and record your transaction. This process is intuitive, ensuring that you can maintain accurate records without hassle. Another noteworthy capability of Zoho Books is recording payments received or made in various currencies. This feature ensures that your books accurately reflect international transactions, improving your financial analysis and reporting. With these steps, you'll seamlessly manage your multi-currency transactions in Zoho Books. This efficient process empowers your business to engage with international markets confidently and keeps your financial records precise and organized. By following these instructions, you're set to harness the power of Zoho Books to its fullest potential, supporting your business growth across borders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.